Hi, let's talk about this very big pivot door unit. The overall width of this unit is 9 feet and the overall height is 9 feet. I love the size of this pivot door. The door itself is 5 feet wide, which makes each side light 1 1/2 feet. The door is centered. Another very sexy feature of this pivot door is this door pull. It's a hand-sculpted custom door length pull. As you can tell, it has a slight bow to it. So this otherwise very linear entry door system now has a very subtle curve. It's a very sophisticated curve. So when the door is closed and you see it head on, it looks straight. But as you walk by it, left to right, the subtle curve becomes more apparent. So I love the way this entryway choreographs the experience as you walk up to the door. At a distance, it's very obviously a very big door. When you grab the pull, it's a tactile experience, and it's a very nice pull. When you open the door, it's a pivot door experience, and what that means is as you open the door, part of it goes with you through the door, and part of it comes out. So while this door just looks big, it also has a lot of depth. So it's a very attractive composition here. And to boot, they have a smart lock, so kind of got everything there. If you'd like more information on getting one of these amazing front doors for your home and creating a major statement, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll contact you. Thank you very much.